Oh, there we go. There they go. We found them.
Welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications. It is June the 5th of 2019. Red Wiggler Wednesday. It's been 44 weeks since we got started with the Red Wigglers. Let's take a look.
And like always, we're going to start off with the Worm Factory 360, since that was the first system I started with. And this top tray is still the tray that was at the bottom. I'm trying to get these worms to migrate down out of this top tray. And so far, I'm not seeing any worms, so might be a good day. Oh, there's one right there. Toss him in this other bin. So we're definitely getting close to being able to remove this tray for good, for the castings. And we got a nice little group of worms right there in that coffee. Look at there. They are something in there. I guess it's got to be coffee. There's a coffee filter right there. They're eating it up. Quite a few worms right there. Let's see if there's any more in here. Oh yeah. They're definitely eating this coffee up. Nice, nice, nice. Just kind of scattered out for the most part. Looks like. Let's see what this bottom tray looks like. And a few worms on top, here and there. And this tray is getting close to being all castings as well. Looking good. So I don't know. There's a cocoon right there on top. If you missed my last worm video, I did the final results of the which worms reproduce the best. And of course, no spoiler alert, but if you missed that one, go check it out so you know which composting worms reproduce the best, for me at least, between the red wigglers, the African night crawlers, and the Europeans. But yeah, these are looking good. Still got a few in there, but that is looking good. Almost all castings. I still see a little bit of cardboard here and there. Of course, that's a little piece of plastic. Let's see what this underneath looks like. A few worms on the worm ladder. A few worms dangling. And we'll move on over to our bin we've been baiting the worms out. Don't really know what to expect in there. But there's definitely some worms in that cup. Nice. Looks like a little pot worm in there too, couple. Put them up there in the corner for now. Let's see what this one's got in it. Yeah, got a couple on the sides. Trying to get in there. being difficult. Yeah, I got a few nice size ones in there. It's crazy how that turned into a disc. And the last cup. Nice size worm on the outside. Oh yeah. Best one so far. Nice. Several in that bait cup. And we'll go ahead and look through here, see very many. There's one right off the bat. There should not be many left in here. I would not think anyways. And we've baited a bunch out. A whole bunch. It smells good. Smells like earth scent. And there's a cocoon. I don't know if I should just sift this out or keep baiting. But there's not very many worms left in here. I'm sure there's some, probably even some babies. Man, it smells good. Might go ahead and try to bait it for one more week because I am seeing a few worms here and there. Go ahead and toss them out. Alright, so we got these bait cups put over in here. I try to get some better lighting here because there's a bunch of worms in here. Can't remember which side we fed the bananas on last week, but shouldn't be a problem finding any worms in here for sure. There's a bunch. Don't know if we'll see any worm balls, but I mean, this thing is full of worms. I've got to figure out where to put them. I think I'm just going to put them in mortar trays. I mean, I don't know, we've almost a year now since we got started with the red wigglers, and well, in another 8 weeks it will be. And I would say we've definitely tripled our population, at least. And I'm not counting them. There's a banana right there, peel. Oh, there we go. There they go. We found them. Look at that. Alright. Nice. Yes, yes. Yes, indeed. Yeah, there's a bunch in here too. Alright. So, we found them. There's all in the middle, basically. Lots of red wigglers. So they're doing good in here. I don't know how many's in here, but there's a bunch. Whole bunch of worms. Tearing them bad bananas up. It's one thing good about bad bananas. The worms like them.
That's all I got today. Hope you enjoyed. Please hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. And as always, have a great day.